Welcome to our YouTube channel. Smile Bright, Dental Tips and Tricks Vertical Bar Tooth Talk, expert advice on dental care. Taking care of your teeth and gums is essential for maintaining good oral health. Proper dental care not only helps to prevent tooth decay and gum disease but can also improve your overall health. In this article, we will discuss the best steps for dental care. Brushing. The first and most crucial step in dental care is brushing your teeth twice a day. Use a fluoride toothpaste and a soft-bristled toothbrush to gently brush your teeth for 2 minutes each time. Be sure to brush all surfaces of your teeth, including the backs of your front teeth and your tongue. Flossing. Flossing is another essential step in dental care. Flossing helps remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth and along the gumline. Use about 18 inches of floss and wrap it around your fingers, gently sliding it between your teeth in a back and forth motion. Mouthwash. Rinsing your mouth with a fluoride mouthwash can help reduce plaque and prevent cavities. Swish the mouthwash around your mouth for 30 seconds and then spit it out. Limit sugary foods and drinks. Sugary foods and drinks can lead to tooth decay. Limit your intake of sugary foods and drinks, and if you do consume them, be sure to brush your teeth afterward. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water can help rinse away food particles and keep your mouth hydrated. It can also help prevent dry mouth, which can lead to tooth decay. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential for maintaining good oral health. Your dentist can spot problems early on and treat them before they become more serious. Consider dental treatments. If you have issues with your teeth or gums, such as cavities or gum disease, your dentist may recommend specific dental treatments, such as fillings, crowns, or root canals, to help repair or restore your teeth. In conclusion, taking care of your teeth and gums is essential for maintaining good oral health. By following these best steps for dental care, you can help prevent tooth decay and gum disease, and keep your smile healthy and bright. Remember to brush and floss regularly, limit your intake of sugary foods and drinks, and visit your dentist regularly. More. Use a mouth guard. If you participate in sports or grind your teeth at night, wearing a mouth guard can help protect your teeth from damage. A custom-fitted mouth guard made by your dentist can provide the best protection. Quit smoking. Smoking can lead to gum disease, tooth decay, and oral cancer. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your oral and overall health. Choose a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help keep your teeth and gums healthy. Foods high in calcium, such as milk and cheese, can also help strengthen your teeth. Practice good oral hygiene habits. In addition to brushing and flossing, there are other good oral hygiene habits you can practice, such as using a tongue scraper to remove bacteria from your tongue and using an interdental brush to clean between your teeth. Consider cosmetic dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry can help improve the appearance of your teeth and boost your self-confidence. Treatments such as teeth whitening, dental veneers, and orthodontics can help improve the look of your smile. By following these best steps for dental care, you can maintain good oral health and keep your smile healthy and beautiful for years to come. Remember to brush and floss regularly, limit your intake of sugary foods and drinks, and visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. More. Consider dental implants. If you have missing teeth, dental implants can help restore your smile and improve your oral health. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are placed in your jawbone and can support a crown, bridge, or denture. Address dental issues early. If you experience any dental problems, such as tooth pain, sensitivity, or bleeding gums, it's essential to address them early on. Ignoring dental issues can lead to more serious problems and more extensive treatments. Choose the right toothbrush. When choosing a toothbrush, select one with soft bristles and a comfortable grip that fits your mouth. Electric toothbrushes can also be a good choice, as they can provide more thorough cleaning. Practice stress management. Stress can